What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Scooby fam. Remember, if you haven't caught on all of our content, go check out all of our videos. We've been, digging into some of our builds. Right now, we got my 2018 STI here. We already got it jacked up in the back because we recently did some sway bars. Remember to go check out that video if you guys haven't seen that. But yeah, we got my boy Mitch here. He's already starting to take out some clips for the bumper so we can drop the bumper. Here's the diffuser. It's actually an OEM looking diffuser, but it's just straight black. We did get it off of Amazon, so if you guys want to go click at the link in the description to check it out, you can do that. So we're going to start getting the bumper off and start tackling it. Alright guys, so for your bumper, to take the bumper off, you have about 8 clips on the bottom. It should be 6 on the bottom really, and then 1 on each side over here. And then you're going to want to pop your trunk, and you got these 2 bolts right here that you're going to want to take out. And then other than that, just be very careful. Obviously you don't want to break any clips, but you'll be able to pull it right off.
That one, or the motherfuckers come with us? That has to obviously come off.
And then I think there should be 8 altogether. And then it's this one up here.
The little one?
All the way at the top?
Yeah.
That you have to like push in?
Yeah.
So there's your clip right here, guys, that you're gonna want to take out to get the back bumper up. Right there. So yeah, guys, just to make it easier when you're taking out the bumper and you don't want to break any clips, we're just taking out the taillights. Just like that. Yep. There's those. Woo! We were just going too gentle with it, realistically. Go like this?
Yep.
Nice.
It's like subtle.
Yeah.
But it's like...
Just enough.
Your charger, even.
Yes. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Mitch got one bracket on. So we're just gonna work our way to the next. Never thought we'd be taking the bumper off doing this. It's easy, really is easy stuff. If you guys are contemplating on doing this, I'd send it for sure.
Might be scary, but...
Right. Might look a little intimidating, might look scary. It's really not bad at all. Alright guys, so we got the diffuser on. I'm super satisfied with it. It looks good. I'm excited to see how it looks with the bumper on. So we're gonna start taking the bumper, getting that baby back on. We have it over here for now, but we're gonna get this baby back on and start wrapping things up. Alright guys, so the diffuser's on. I'm super gassed with it, to be honest. A nice subtle OEM look. It definitely adds a little bit of an aggressive look to it. So sadly, not sadly, but we took out the third brake light for now until we order the matching ones for the tails. So we just got that out of there just to kind of already get ready for it. And yeah, that looks really nice. I am definitely super happy with that. Guys, I freaking love it. She's finally coming together with the freaking new spats and the, you know, the OLM rear diffuser. Oh, it makes the, you know, the rear end look super aggressive. I'm super happy with it. I cannot wait to get some suspension on this car, guys. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We got something big coming. So I'm super gassed to be showing this to you guys. And yeah, man, I freaking love it. The diffuser came out awesome. The spats look sick with the vents. I love it. Scooby's finally coming together, man. I absolutely love her. Woo. Yeah, I literally absolutely love the diffuser. You know, it's nothing crazy aggressive, but it's a nice OEM plus looking diffuser, and I absolutely love it. Perfect. Fills the gap. So now we got, you know, we got the new brake light coming in, so we'll be making a video on that once it comes in. It's gonna be matching the tails, so that'll be super sweet, just to, you know, finish up the ass end. And hell yeah, man, I'm super gassed with the way this car's coming out. Remember, guys, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, show us all that love, do it all up so we can keep making more videos. Scooby fam out, baby.